right, my 7th grade advanced class, let's go ahead and start with our homework. I got number 6, which means I'll be doing the even ones. It says the table shows the racing times in minutes for the first 2 laps in the race. Complete the scatter plot. Scatter plot, let's see, we got lap 1 and lap 2. So lap 1 will be my x-axis. Remember, the one on top is usually always x. I think I'm just going to type this out. Looks like it's messier that way. Lap 1. And let's see, lap 2. Okay. And let's see. Putting in a dot here. So let's go ahead and graph this up. First of all, we have 2.4 and 2.3. So if I'm making dots here, 2.4 will be about here, and 2.3 will be about here. All right. Next, we have 1.4 and 1.6. 1.4 will be here. 1.6 will be about here. And now 4 is going to be right before 1.5, and 6 is going to be right after 1.5. Next, we have 1.6 and 1.3. So now 1.6, which is on this side, 1.3, which would be about here. I guess if I was really going to do it, put it right there in the middle. There we go. All right. Now we've got 2.4 and 2.7. 2.4 will be right here. And 2.7 will be about here. Then we got 2.5 and 2.6. So 2.5 will be here, right on it. And 2.6, that'll be right here. Okay. Right on the line. Next, we got 1.8 and 1.6. 1.8 is going to be about right here, and 1.6 about right here. And then I got 2.2 and 1.5. So 2.2 will be right about here, and 1.5 will be right here in the middle. And that's all of our scatter plot. All right, looks like I'm off to number 8. The table shows the monthly attendance in thousands at a museum in one country over a 12-month period. All right, remember the table shows a monthly attendance in thousands at the museum, okay? Let's see, remember, so whenever we're looking at this is like 5,000, 6,000, right? And this is over a 12-month period, so basically a year. All right, so we see this. We're looking at, let's see, table shows a monthly attendance in thousands at a museum in one country. So complete the scatter plot to represent the data. So in the 5th month, there were, the number of people were 6,000. The 5th month, the number of people were 6,000. Well, 9's up there, and 6 is going to be about here. Let's see, then we've got 5 and 9. So once again, we're at 5, but this time, instead of 6, we're going to hit 9. And, you know, I might have put 6 just slightly higher than I should have. Maybe it should be about right here. Okay. And I got 6 and 6, so I go to 6 here, and then I go 6 here. Then I got 6 and 12, so I got 6 here, Let's see, if this was 9, 10, 11, 12 would be about right here. Let's see. Then I got 6 and 36. So 6 and 36 would be way up here. And I got 7 and 3, so 7 would be here. 3 would be way down here. And I got 10 and 21. So 10 would be here, and 21 would be about right. If that's 18, probably about here. Then I got 10 and 27, so 10 and 27 is going to be right here, parallel with 27. And next I have 11 and 18, so 11 would be here, 18 would be about right here. And I got 11 and 24. Well, we know that this one was 27, so 24 is going to be about right here. All right, then 11 and 24, excuse me, 12 and 24. So 12 and 24 would be right here. 12 and 18, 12, 18 would be about right here. And then 12 and 3, and 3 would be down here. So our data should be like this. Identify any outliers in the scatter plot. Okay, those outliers are obviously going to be things that are way away from the other data. Okay, and I would probably think that this would be an outlier here. This might be an outlier here. Okay, so if I identify this one would be 6 and 36. I might even go with this one, 12 and 3. So when I look at the situation for these outliers, I would think one of them shows 12 and 3. And if I'm thinking about a museum, and I'm thinking about the 12th month, that's December, I'm going to think maybe the holidays, the museum might be closed sometime. So during December holidays, the museum might be closed. That would make for the drop in people going there on that day. And in June, we might say that June is typically right when school's out, right? Then it's May and June, so that's going to be the summer months, right? So I might say let's see, June is a summer month where tourists may make up a I should say, might contribute to the increase in see people going to the museum. All right. All right. Let's go to number, let's see, 9 is for you to do. Oh, that's it. Looks like I'm done with my homework. That was in record time. And the rest is for you to do. Good luck, guys, and see you in class.